Okay, welcome to you all in this online class. Student, as you know, today's topic of our discussion is media. Actually, we are discussing about this topic. Some of the important facts have already been discussed. Today, we have to give preference to some rest topics. First topic is interdependence of technology and media. Here you are looking at on the screen that many developments, modern developments have taken place, which is influencing media very deeply. Here one of the improved form of technology that is already been developed is satellite, and you see it helps the media to provide sufficient information and area of coverage in the whole world. By the help of satellite, we get different types of information. I mean, media gets different types of information, and it is telecasted, broadcasted by the different means of technology, which is very helpful for the common people or all the people. Here we have to learn how does technology depend on media and how does media depend on technology. Both are the complement of each other. Without anyone, each of them will be incomplete in their work. So we have to prove and learn how both of these are dependent on each other, right? Actually, technology developed connectivity. First of all, what we see, technology developed connectivity. I mean, it helps the media to connect to a large group of people or to the maximum part of the world to contact. It helps the media to come into the contact or cover terms of whole world, right? And everything is brought under the area of media. Actually, this type of impact, I mean the latest technology helps media to reach out to the masses, right? The impact of such technology can be seen in the form of billboards, newspapers, periodicals, CDs, DVDs, television programs, films, etc. Without the modern technology, all these things is impossible to broadcast or telecast and telecast. So we see media depends on technology because technology developed the connectivity, enlarged the area of media of coverage or to cover the areas for the news and for other purposes. First, second, this technology has ended the narrow casting and created global culture. Here two words are here. It ended narrow casting. Narrow casting means in confined areas broadcast. I mean, earlier when there was no modern means of technology, it was very difficult to cover all the areas. So area of coverage of media was very limited. Here narrow means very limited. But when technology improved, technology was developed, it widened the area of media coverage. I mean, it ended the narrow casting. पहले जो बहुत सीमित जगह का ये न्यूज देते थे या एरिया कवर करते थे, हमें मैसेज देते थे, न्यूज देते थे, सीन दिखलाते थे, वो अब खत्म हुआ और बहुत ज्यादा एरिया को कवरेज किया जाने लगा. हाउ was it possible? It was possible due to the modern means of technology. ऐसे ऐसे मशीन्स निकाले गए और हैं, ऐसे ऐसे डिवाइसेस हैं, इक्विपमेंट हैं जो बहुत बड़े लार्ज एरिया से भी वो सारे न्यूज इमेज को कवर करते हैं. तो ये है इंटरडिपेंडेंस ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एंड मीडिया का एग्जाम्पल. इंटरडिपेंडेंट मीन्स डिपेंडेंट ऑन ईच अदर. मीडिया अफेक्ट करता है टेक्नोलॉजी को और टेक्नोलॉजी अफेक्ट करता है मीडिया को. Just here now you are listening about how does technology affect media, right? Next is technology improve efficiency of media, right? Technology has improved the quality or capability of media too much, so that it became very easy to telecast so many things on the screen among the people very easily. Next, media updates us on the advances in technology. अब ये तो टेक्नोलॉजी ने मीडिया को अफेक्ट किया, ठीक है. अब मीडिया कैसे टेक्नोलॉजी को अफेक्ट करता है ये देखना आपको. मीडिया अपडेट्स अस, आई मीन इट मेक्स us up to mark about the development of technology, about the advancement of technology, how much technology have been developed. This is said, this is highlighted by the media among the people, and the people, industrialists, technologists, know about the different technology, and viewership or the market to buy such technology becomes wider. Who makes popular to such new developed technology? It is media. Suppose कोई टेक्नोलॉजी है जो यूरोपियन कंट्री में डेवलप हुआ या हमारी कंट्री में डेवलप हुआ, और क्या देखते हो, आफ्टर ए फ्यू ईयर, आफ्टर सम मंथ्स और फ्यू इयर्स, it became very popular in whole world or in maximum parts of the world. How it happens so? How does it happen so? People of remote area or a foreign country, how do they know? How do they know about this technology? How is it possible for them to know? It is media. It is TV, newspaper, books, journals, periodicals, CDs, no? Mobiles, social media, which highlights this news on large scale, and people learned about that. So media helps technology to be popular. Now next is media use digital technology, different types of camera, sound, devices, no? Their picture qualities, all these are improved by the help of technology in media. Technology is highlighted in market by whom? By the media, by the different means of technology, or by the different means of media, print media, electronic medias. They highlight these things. Okay. Now next slide is, or next topic is role of money, right? Role of money in media. Money is a very important aspect, right? Money is a very important aspect in the field of media, right? You see here, TV newsrooms and these gatherings or addressing place. What do you see? So many things are required in media. So many equipments, instruments, technology, so many people like news readers, editors, right? Computers, light transmitters, recorders, many people like news readers, directors, editor, producer, cameraman, lightman, many others. Are they giving service freely? No. They are salaried person. They are doing the work on the basis of their wages. I mean, money is paid to them. So money is very important for us. To buy all these things, money is required. So to handle the media is a very expensive aspect also. So there are many rich families or industrialists who is sponsored or who buy the copyright, who have the copyright to launch this program. I mean, they are the owner of different channels and they highlight their own interest as well as the social interest, right? So money is very important. Money needs for expensive equipment. Next, payment to the news readers, right? Payment to the news readers and other servicemen is needed. So payment is given to news reader, right? Editor, director, producer, etc. Money is also used to upgrade the studios with latest technology, right? It upgrades, I mean, it improves the studios with latest technology, right? You see, people are sitting at their home, you are sitting at your home, and we teachers are teaching you from our homes. Work from home. How it became possible? Due to the advancement of new technology. And now money is also required. You must have to buy the mobile, laptop, computer. I have also two. So here also money is important. Next, what you see, the same matter is, same thing is applied in the field of media. I mean, news readers, TV channels. radio, computer, net, etc. So improved means of technology needs money to upgrade, to develop or advancement, to make it up to mark. Now, next is investment in media by the rich houses. Actually, rich people invest, I mean, they expense the capital for media. They handles the different forms of media or channels. So it became also, media became a powerful tool in the hands of rich, in the hands of the rich. They are in media to make money and propagate their class interest, right? Actually, it is also a source of income. Now, income earned through advertisement. You have seen different advertisements are sold on the TV screen in course of different uh, programs, different serials that you also are habituated to watch. What you see in the middle of the programs, breaks are taken where different advertisements are sold. Right? They advertise different things about different materials. In the cinema also, when you watch film in your device at home, especially in TV, what you see? Frequent breaks take place. And in the course of this break, advertisement is sold about the different items, different products of different companies. Do you know? To advertise their material, they have to pay money to the different channels. Yes, they have to pay money. And in this way, what we see, media earns money. It is the source of income. Now, you have watched cricket match. In cricket match also, in course of telecasting, what you see, when over ends, advertisement is sold. Different products are advertised of the different companies. This company had to pay money, and in this way media earns money, or it is a source of income also. So this is the role of money in media. If question comes, how can you say that money plays very important role, right? Money plays very important role in media. How will you say? What will you tell them, right? You will have to explain in short all these 4 points, right? 5 points are here, you have to mention, and it is given in your book also. Now, next is media and democracy. Actually, this point I have highlighted in the beginning, in the previous classes. Points I will discuss later on, but first you clear your concept, right? Kaushik Gautam, Shatvik, Shiksha, all of you please open your video. Where are you? Are you in proper way at your place or not? Open, don't stop it. Now here you see media and democracy. Actually, you know, democracy is a form of government in which rulers are elected by the people. I mean, in short, democracy is the government of the people, right? The government is made by the people, and the government work for the people. Is it clear? Have you thought, how do the people know about the government, and how does the government know about the aspiration, desires, demands, requirements, or other social, political, economic problems of the people? Both are far away from there. Decision makers sit at the different place, and people live in their own area who have framed the government. Who brings connectivity between two? How do the people know about the activities and work, different programs, schemes of the government? And how does the government know the requirement of the people, or their satisfaction or dissatisfaction of the people? It is media who plays the role just like a link. It says everything of the people to the government through their channels, through their ways, speeches or programs, and people also learned about the different schemes, programs, steps taken by the government for the people by the media. So media and democracy is very, very close to each other. It is why media is called the mainstay, the base of democracy. Is it clear? Then what role is played by media in democracy, you have to learn. Media creates awareness and enlightenment. Awareness means consciousness about any issues, any activities, about any problems, about any happenings. No? It creates a sense in the people what they should do. How should the people react regarding any matter, any event, and what are happening in the world? People must learn, and media helps in this regard. Media help in this regard. Awareness is brought, for example, COVID-19. Now, you know, how should you combat this problem? How should this pandemic be contained? What actions should be taken for each and everyone to save them, to protect themselves from the effect of COVID-19? Many days, all the days, from different ways, from books, pamphlets, newspapers, magazines, TV, mobiles, different protective steps are highlighted among the people, and people get enlightenment. I mean, become knowledgeable. Enlightenment here, knowledgeable, well informed, and awareness. They become very cautious. They follow such steps to protect themselves. And this is the role of media. So media creates awareness and enlightenment. Next is, it creates public opinion about any important issue, right? Any issue. For example, you know, just now you have seen some confrontation of China and India, about the confrontation conflict, no, by the fighting of Chinese soldier with Indian soldiers. So it let the people to create their opinion. What should be done against China? What action should be taken? No, and it is why our government had stopped so many Chinese things to sell. Their import, export, everything is affected. Right? Now, next, it exposed many scandals. Right? Many it highlights about the corruptions, and it builds confidence of the public because public reacts sorry public reacts, and this reaction is highlighted by the media, and it affects to the government, and right actions are taken by the government or by the concerned officials, and in this way public became confident that their action proved fruitful. They can share the governance. Now, next is media is the main source of information. Different plans, programs are covered by the media, and we get different types of information of different plans and programs. Next, TV and answer the public. TV programs are organized in which different types of public queries are answered and people get satisfaction. Next, print media easily available, and it has the deep impact. Paper, newspaper, journals, periodicals, magazines. It is a common factor, common things for all the people, and people by going through all these things creates opinion, gets satisfaction, or its impact is very deep among the people. It brings out the defects of the government. If government does any wrong work, very fastly, then and there, media updates us, and government is checked or is controlled to do such things. Next, cinema brings awareness towards social evils and changes. You know, the topic of cinema or subject matter of cinema is relevant. It is related with social, economic, religious drawbacks, evils, or some changes. Now, different programs, different scenes. Now, you have seen in cinema about in which they highlight, for example, so many programs are there. अब मान लो 2.0 फिल्म, अक्षय कुमार का टॉयलेट फिल्म, अब संजय दत्त का लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई. तो ये सब क्या होता है, सोशल एविल्स, पॉलिटिकल एविल्स को हाईलाइट करता है और ये अवेयरनेस लाता है पीपल में. तो इन दिस वे व्हाट वी सी, मीडिया and democracy as pluralism, and media plays very important role in democracy. Now you see, this is the newsroom that you have already seen here. This is the different channels, television channels. Balanced and impartial information should be given. No partiality should be done. Media should not favor to the government blindly. It should highlight all the pros and cons I mean, merits and demerits, ins and outs of each matters, so that people can decide about the reality. Sometimes what happens, there are many channels which are supporting the government blindly. They do not highlight or open or expose the drawbacks of the government. So media should be balanced and impartial. I mean, जो पक्षपात नहीं करता हो, which does not favor blindly. And in this way, this is the role of. Now, other one is RTI, right to information. It is linked to it or added in 2005. It is closely related with our basic rights, I mean fundamental rights. It is passed due to the demands of many organizations. Any people may request information from public officers, authority. I mean, right to information is a right according to which any person can seek, can get information from any authorities, officers, and the government, except a few matters. And it is necessary that the officer must have to answer within 30 days. It helps the people to get information about different things, and it brings transparency and accountability. I mean, this right compels the government to do the work as per the